What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Weapon Collective. Today I'm out on the range and I have my Infinity Bone Crusher. And we're focusing on a very specific part of this pistol today, and this is this spiky end called the cheekbuster. We're gonna put that to the test on my little buddy here. See what that cheekbuster actually does to a cheek. This is as close as we can get to actually testing the results without really jacking somebody up. So this is a Ballistic Dummy Labs head. We are going to bust his cheek and then we're going to shoot it. Let's do it. All right, so we took a few strikes at this guy, and honestly, there was less damage than I thought there would be. I don't know, I don't remember exactly how many strikes I did, 4 or 5, but I mean, we definitely broke some bone right here and up in the orbital socket. So it's not a good day, and you'd be bleeding like crazy. Struck him once in the mouth, but that looks like it would just be, oh, there's a little bone coming out. So it's a bad day, but I got him up here in the skull, but didn't crack the skull. Now, I wasn't taking full-blown swings at this guy, but enough that it should be a proper deterrent. If you do that and they're still coming at you, it may be time to send rounds. So nothing crazy, but it's a bad day for sure. I'm imagining this would stop anybody from progressing any further. But let's put some rounds. Let's shoot some Simex at him first, which is a non-lead projectile. I want to see what that does, and then we'll load it up with some actual lead and 124 grain staccato range ammo and finish him off. Okay, so if you put that cheekbuster to work and bust this guy's cheek and he still is coming at you, it's time to put some rounds. So first we're going to shoot these Simex rounds. These are crazy, they're non-lead projectile, and I'm interested to see what these will do. And then depending on what happens with those, we'll send some 124 grain staccato range ammo. I unfortunately don't have my hollow points today. So we'll see what full metal jackets do to this guy, starting with the Simex. Bad day. That went clean through. That is, I mean, these guys are tough though. He might not have stopped at this. We'll see. These ballistic dummies, they take a licking and keep on ticking. But clear exit wound in the back here. I mean, stinks. I mean, that's let's see what the 124 does. But I mean, just complete skull fractures and just a horrible day to be a ballistic dummy. Whew. But let's see what, that's a non-lead projectile, full metal jacket. So let's see, I mean, you can only imagine what a hollow point should do. How you doing, old boy? Oh, we severed his neck. Where did it enter? Right here. So entered right in his teeth and severed his whole neck. So carotids, spine, that's a rough one. Quit bleeding on my Texas Star. Oh, it's in there. That one caught it. Look at that. That's nuts. Woo! That's cool. He is still approaching. So, got this thing loaded up with full mag of 5.56 cheekbusters. I think that would stop him. Yeah. But if the cheekbuster doesn't work, you just move to 9 mil, and if that doesn't work, 5.56 will get the job done. Although, I'm gonna say the cheekbuster's gonna work. Let's check him out. Oh yeah. There's structurally nothing left. Gross. Oh, it's just kind of a gelatinous shape. Here's the brain. So not like super precise brain removal. Very effective.
It's not brain surgery, but it'll do the job.
Yeah. We swapped out brain for dirt. And that is the aptly named Infinity Bone Crusher. His whole face is just, look at that. Gross. Just no shape left whatsoever. Brains. Condom full of blood.
Oh, is that what they put in there?
That's what I think it is. I didn't know I'd be picking up skull fragments when I woke up this morning.
It's your life now, Jeff.
Yeah.
Don't get used to it.
Easier than I thought. Right?